Y cyfriniwr, dyn anernadwy, a'i galon yn oer a thoredig. A oes ganddo unrhyw deimlad o naws y Nadolig yn treiddio drwy ei esgyrn? Ydy tynged wedi datgan iddo byth deimlo hapusrwydd y Nadolig? Fe ddaeth e am de bach i'n hatre unwaith, am fwytawr ffyslyd. A wy'n meddwl wrthyn ni'n, shwt all unrhyw un gysau waffle tattoo a spaghetti hoops?
Hello, Master.
Leave me, I am training.
I know. Brought you special water from the pond. It's got insects in it, maybe newts. Protein. How Christmassy are you feeling? Not very. Hey, can play some Christmas games later, get you in the mood. Twister, Chase the Ace, Charades. Ooh, Pictionary.
The only games I play are gladiatorial ones.
Wait, I think I know a game that'll make you feel Christmassy. Football.
Football. A game for prancing fools and haircuts, not warriors.
Not exactly true, Master. But there was one Christmas when football united warriors in the midst of great pain and suffering. In 1914, British and German soldiers, sworn enemies, laid down their arms for a Christmas truce.
I do not believe you.
Over here, mate. I'm wide open. Hang on, where'd everyone go? Oh, can I have my ball back, please?
Hello there. What are you up to?
Playing with the German lads, aren't we? They're not a bad bunch, to be honest. Makes you wish you weren't trying to kill them all the time.
But they are your foes. They must be defeated at all costs.
No, mate, they're just like you and me. Well, they're not all big and musty like you. More like me. Young and scared. This Christmas truce is amazing, though. Weapons down for Christmas. I showed this bloke, Gustav, a picture of my girl, and he showed me his lady, Una. We gave each other biscuits. I even wrapped mine up in paper, you know, like a gift. The right old chin wag. You gonna give me my ball back?
You are friends with your assailants?
In normal life, I reckon we could be. Yeah, this war business gets in the way, doesn't it? Blokes in charge of us don't see that we're all just the same. Got the same hopes and dreams, and we're all celebrating Christmas. Lost a lot of my friends these past few months, fighting for no reason. Wish I was home. Still, I'm sure we'll be by next Christmas. And maybe Gustav can come over for Christmas dinner.
That'd be lovely.
Yeah, it would. Can I have my ball back, please? Oh. So there's a sing-song happening. Oh, I don't want to miss that.
Go well, soldier.
Yeah, you too, mate. You too. It's a shame we can't bottle this spirit of Christmas stuff. Make it last the whole year round, doesn't it? Makes you realise what's important.
See? Even warriors can enjoy Christmas, whatever the circumstances.
But will he live? Will he battle again?
Who knows? But he knows how to celebrate Christmas.
You could have been me in my younger days.
Come on, not that old.
2,000 years.
Oh, okay. That is old. You must moisturise.
I've seen wars won and lost. The cruelties of man.
Like what?
Heads ripped off. Guts everywhere. Sands awash with blood and lamentation. Fingers ripped from there.
Stop now.
So many terrible things. I'd forgotten all about everything that was good. Now I remember my mom putting me to bed, kissing me on the forehead. My dad putting me on his shoulders, making me a giant. Them giving me a gift, a lion, carved out of wood. Makes me feel. makes me feel.
And that's the Christmas spirit. Right there, those feelings. I've got them all the time. It's brilliant, isn't it? It's a Christmas miracle! Yes! Can we play charades now? Too soon? This is what I became an apprentice for.
Nawr mae naws y Nadolig yn dechrau codi, mae hyd yn oed y calonau caletaf yn gallu meddalu. Ffilm. Dau air. Home Alone. Polar Express. Polar Express. Polar Express. Polar Express. Polar Express.